Good morning friends, welcome to Kitchen Gardening with me. Today I am show you how to grow coriander in my kitchen garden at home. For this, I have made rice bed using mixture of 2 parts of garden soil and 1 part of cow dung manure. So if you want to see how I made this rice bed, please click on the I button above. For planting, I dig narrow trenches about an inch deep and 3 to 4 inches apart. I prefer coriander seeds sown directly in soil than growing them in seed trays and waiting for transplanting. Coriander seeds were already splitted, so let's sow directly. So this seed I have brought from local market. After sowing, the seeds need to be covered with soil so that birds don't disturb seeds and helps to develop humid condition and speed up germination. Friends, this kind of raised bed can grow vegetable on concrete surface as well as where the soil is unproductive. When all the seeds are covered with soil, apply water so that the required moist condition develops. After 7 to 8 days, see how well it germinates. Avoid overwatering as it causes root rots. I water in the morning so that excess water evaporates during the day. After 12 days, just like spinach, it can be grown in partial sun. It requires less but regular and steady watering to keep the soil moist. Throughout the growing season, if we sow the seeds every 2 to 3 weeks, we get a steady supply of fresh coriander. After 34 days. So friends, today I apply fertilizer. It is leaf compost made from garden waste. Avoid overwatering. It thrives well in temperature range between 15 to 28 degrees Celsius. Coriander has been used as a spice for cooking worldwide. In very simple way, coriander can be grown at home. When the plants attain height about 6 to 8 inches, then it can be harvested as shown in video. It has awesome pungent smell. Due to unavailability of fresh, healthy and organically produced coriander, I prefer to grow it in backyard garden. And the main advantage is at any time we can access to this awesome fresh herb. So for today, if you like the video, then cultivate the like button and share with your friends. If you are new to the channel, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel because we always come up with great videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.